my dog.
Your dog?
He was stolen from me. His rightful and legal owner. Now, what do you say? Look, you got nowhere to go. You're trapped. Now, make a deal. You two for my dog. I ain't got all day.
Man, I don't believe it.
Come on, Algie. Come on.
Come on,
Algie.
Algie. Go.
Here, Algie.
Go.
Algie, I got you.
Come on. Good boy.
Some things never change. Who's gonna pay for that?
Just put it on my bill.
I don't believe it!
See what I mean? It's not that easy to get that damn dog.
Enough, enough. The entire episode is absurd.
Yeah, you got that right.
But true, right, TC?
Oh, yeah. Sure is. And I got $450 worth of bullet holes in my bird to prove it.
Well, I don't believe you, either of you. And neither of Mr. Masters when I tell him you lost his favorite pickup truck in a banana field.
Oh, no, it ain't lost. I spotted it. See, that's how I found him. You see, I was in my bird,
Please,
and then I was flying
not again.
Higgins, we couldn't possibly have even invented this story. And besides, it all started with your friend, Mrs. Marsden, remember?
Assuming that you were telling the truth, and it's a huge assumption, what could possibly make this dog worth all that trouble?
I don't know. But I think I have a way of finding out. TC, I'm going to call Rick.
As long as you don't call me.
Rick wasn't overly enthusiastic about my plan. He thought it had some holes in it, and he was afraid they would end up in him. I told him that was ridiculous.
What's your problem? What are you, coconuts or what? Whoa, what is this?
Just follow that car.
You know, unless there's a black market for careening skimmers, you're just wasting your time.
What were you doing on the estate?
I was re-roofing the garage. Come on, what do you think I was doing? I was cleaning the pool.
You don't clean tidal pools, and that's all they've got.
Oh, no kidding. I thought there was something funny. You know, you'd be surprised what you find in people's filters. You know, one time I found the Chicago Cubs glove, and another time I found this. Yeah, right, I get your drift. Just keep on driving.
$163.59 for materials, $450 for bullet holes, $200 for the trip there, $200 more for this trip. Man, that comes to a grand total of $1,013.59, and that ain't including tax.
That's it. Take us down, but not close enough for them to hear.
Hey, man, if I land out of hearing range, it'll take you about 15 minutes to get there, and Rick could be in big trouble by then.
Can you split the difference?
You got it, good buddy.
Okay, Mr. Pool Man. Just pull it right up there.
Get out. Come on, get out. Let's go. Let's go, move. Come on, come on.
Steve, you get the dog.
Victor DeGiorgio. I thought you died in the pen years ago.
Who's the mouse?
Orville.
Orville.
Yeah, Orville from Flatbush. I used to do some running for High Shoes Lebo. They called me Little O. You remember Mr. D?
No. Where's my dog?
It's in the back.
What, did you get the number?
Not yet.
Well, what the hell are you waiting for? Bring him out and check the tattoo.
You tattooed a dog? I love it. That's great,
Yeah,
Mr. D.
touch the hands. Bring him out.
I'd really prefer it if you did, Mr. DeGiorgio.
Me? Are you crazy? That dog will tear me apart.
But he's your dog.
Look, you know that, and I know that, but that dog don't know it. He never forgave me for leaving him when I got sent up. He holds a grudge like nobody ever met.
We're talking about a dog.
All right, he's small, but he's mean. He's got a memory like a bull elephant. You bring him out.
Hey, don't even look at me. I've had it with that animal.
You, Orville. Call him out. Nice and easy.
Tattooing a dog. That's great, Mr. D.
Come on.
That's really
Come on,
great.
Orville.
Victor DeGiorgio. Boy, I really remember him from Flatbush. I really do. You can come out now, Algie. It's all right.
Now, lad.
Get left! Get left!
Hold it! Hold it! Oh, you really got to get into condition, Orville.
Too old for this.